Hi, how's everyone doing? Yes, I know, I feel you. Staying home for an extended time can be challenging, especially when you finish the latest video game and the days seem so darn long. My name is Baron and I'm a key opinion leader for Sony. I'm a full-time filmmaker and I shoot videos on land, sea and air. Which is why I miss the outdoors so much. And I also miss conducting workshops for Sony and meeting you guys and girls to help you with video shooting and vlogging. Just hang in there everyone, stay home and stay safe. This is essential to ensure our country recovers from the pandemic. Now let's turn that frown upside down. Let's embark on an adventure, you and your family. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make super slow motion food shots. If this is your first time shooting videos, you'll have a great time because I'll guide you step by step. The best thing about food videos is you get to eat the subject. But before you turn into the cookie monster, here are the things you need, and they are easily available everyday items. Cookies, obviously, a transparent glass, and milk to soak our cookies in. You'll probably need help with this project, so get your family involved. Let this be a family videography project. We are shooting these scenes in HFR. That means high frame rates, also known as super slow motion. And when we shoot in HFR, we need a high shutter speed to capture more frames, more images. When we use a high shutter speed, what do we need more of? Light! We need lots of light. I suggest do this near an open window or at your balcony, somewhere that's really bright. Once you found a perfect spot at your house, lay out your ingredients on a bench or coffee table. I'll be using the Sony RX100. I love it for the high quality videos and photos it produces. It's got a long zoom lens with fast and accurate autofocus, and it's compact and light. Most importantly, it has super slow motion capability called HFR, and it works very well in low light. Okay everyone, are we ready to roll? Get your camera ready and I'll help you configure your camera settings. I promise this will be very easy to follow. We'll do this together. Power on your RX100. Turn the mode dial to movie mode. Select S for shutter priority. Then press the menu button and go to camera settings. In the second page, for file format, let's choose XAVC HD. In record setting, choose 100p 100m. That's 100 frames per second at 100 megabits per second. This is for our regular slow motion shoot. Now let's do the settings for super slow motion. Head over to HFR settings. At record setting, choose 50p 50m. Go to frame rate. This is where we tell the camera how incredible you want your slow motion to be. The action is slowed down more with a higher FPS setting. But take note that a higher FPS means a higher shutter speed is needed for it to work, and this means you'll have to provide more light. I'll choose 250 FPS. Next, go to priority setting. I value a better looking image over a longer shot, so I'll choose quality priority. Next, we'll go to rec timing. You have a limited time to capture the HFR shot, and since high-speed movements are unpredictable, I prefer end trigger. This means that you press the record button after the action has happened. Let's choose an ISO setting. Go to the 5th page of camera settings and select ISO. If you know how to set exposure, you'll want to use your own ISO settings. But for this tutorial, let's do auto. Lastly, turn the mode dial to HFR and choose S for shutter priority. You now have two types of slow motion capture. Turn the mode dial to movie mode for 100 fps slow motion. For super slow motion recording of 250 fps and above, turn the mode dial to HFR. So that's it for camera settings. That was short, sweet and simple. Now let's bring along your crew, have some fun and shoot this great. Are we ready for this?
Yes!
You ready to see this in super slow motion?
Yes!
Alright, frame up your shot and press the center button once. This will put your RX100 on standby. When it says start recording, you're ready for the shot. You ready to do this, Erin?
Yes!
Okay, stand by. I'm pressing the center button. I'm ready in 3, 2, 1. Higher, higher, higher. Whoa, that's gorgeous. Woo! That was some silky smooth dairy goodness. Let's do that again, and this time with a big splash using the cookies. Frame your shot. Press the center button once. Wait until it says start recording. Drop the cookie. Press the record button after the cookies hit the milk. That's what an end trigger is for. You press record after the action has happened. Let's see this in regular speed. Nothing fancy, just a cookie falling into milk. Now let's see what we made in HFR. See that sweet baked milky splash as the cookies bathe in milk. That's what I call awesome cookielicious. I hope you got that. Rewind this video and watch the steps again if you're unsure. That's the beauty of an online classroom. Woohoo! There's more you can do in this indoor family project. Remember, your camera has been set to 100 frames per second for regular Full HD recording. The next step is to edit the videos after you've transferred them from your camera to your mobile device. We're only a few steps away from sharing out this video clip. My preferred choice of a feature-packed, easy to use, free to download editing app that's available on iOS and Android is PowerDirector from Cyberlink. I've just created a new project and selecting 16:9 aspect ratio for widescreen viewing. This is the import asset button. I touch the plus icon to add a video to my timeline. Then touch on any space on the timeline to go into editing mode. Touch the play pause button to play your clip, or you can drag the timeline to navigate faster. I'm going to shorten this clip. I select the clip and touch the split button to cut the clip. I select the first part of the clip and delete it by touching the trash icon. I can play back the clip to review it. It's fine. I'm going to bring in another clip. Use the import asset to browse your clips. I'll add a cookie splash clip by touching the plus icon. I'm dragging the timeline around and navigating to the cookie splash area. I don't need the earlier parts and I'll place the playhead here. That's the thin blue line. I split the clip and discard it. Don't worry, the original clip will not be changed. As it was shot in HFR, this clip can be slowed down to even more without compromising the smoothness of the shot. I'll touch the speed icon and drag the speed slider down to 0.35 times. I'm going to import one more clip, the milk swirl. You can also drag video clips into the exact position on the timeline. I will make this the first clip. Let's review this clip by sliding it around. I'm shortening this clip. Set the playhead's position and touch the split icon. Discard the unused clip. Let's play and review the clips. We need to slow this clip even more. Make sure the clip is selected and touch the speed icon. This clip was shot in HFR and I can slow it down even more without affecting its smoothness. Let's make this shot a bit more interesting by cropping it to a tighter shot. I'll touch the crop icon and reframe the shot for a tighter angle. Touch the timeline area or touch the back icon to confirm. This looks good. I'm going to produce the project. This means PowerDirector will compile and create a single video clip for you to share. The free version lets me produce a 720p HD clip, good enough for mobile viewing. This video clip is video accomplished. This is Baron here. Thanks for joining us in this home-based RX online classroom. So, take on this fun project with your family members. We are rolling out more lovingly handcrafted homemade episodes for you, so look out for it. We wish everyone to stay home and stay safe. Let's together emerge from this crisis safe and healthy.
Sony.